Hi, I'm Helen, and I'm the crochet designer behind the Country Cottage CAL. In this tutorial, I'll be showing you how to work the bobble patch. If you like this video, don't forget to subscribe and click the bell icon to be notified of future videos. To make the bobble patches coloured patterns, the yarn colour not being used to make the current stitch will be carried within the work. This is the same technique used to make the tapestry crochet patches. I'm making a small swatch of the bobble patch to show you how the stitch pattern works. To begin, create a chain with denim yarn as set out in the written pattern. Work 1 half treble crochet in the second chain from the hook. Work 1 half treble crochet in the next stitch, changing colour to soft green with the last yarn over of this stitch. To do this, yarn over, insert the hook into the next stitch, yarn over and pull up a loop. Release the denim yarn to the wrong side of the work, yarn over with soft green and pull through all loops on the hook. You are now ready to work your next stitch with soft green. Next 2 stitches will be worked over the top of the denim yarn. Work 2 half treble crochet stitches in soft green, changing back to denim with the last yarn over of the second stitch. Always be sure to gently pull any carried yarns before changing colour to ensure that all yarns lay flat within the work. Work 5 half treble crochet stitches in denim, carrying the soft green yarn within the stitches. Continue following the pattern in this way, 2 stitches with soft green, followed by 5 stitches with denim yarn, until 2 stitches remain. The soft green yarn can now be released to the wrong side of the work to be picked up again in the following row. Finish row 1 by working the final 2 stitches in denim. Turn your work to begin row 2. Chain 1 and work 2 half treble crochet stitches, changing colour to soft green with the last yarn over of the second stitch. The soft green yarn will be picked up from the wrong side of the work where it was left in the previous row. Continue to work rows 2 and 3 in the same way as row 1, 2 half treble crochet stitches in soft green, followed by 5 half treble crochet stitches in denim. I'll meet you at the end of row 3. Once you've completed row 3, the soft green yarn can be fastened off. Turn your work to begin row 4. Row 4 is worked in double crochet stitch with magenta bobbles. The bobbles are always worked on the wrong side of the work. To begin, chain 1 and work 6 double crochet stitches, changing to magenta with the last yarn over of the 6th stitch. Work a magenta bobble in the next stitch as follows. Yarn over. Insert your hook into the next stitch. Yarn over and pull up a loop. Yarn over and pull through 2 loops. Repeat this 4 times. You should have 5 loops on your hook. Yarn over with denim and pull through all 5 loops. You are now ready to work the next 6 stitches in denim. These stitches will be worked over the top of the magenta yarn. Change colour back to magenta with the last yarn over of the 6th denim stitch. Ready to work the next magenta bobble. Continue working 1 bobble with magenta, followed by 6 double crochet stitches with denim to the end of the row. Continue to repeat row 2 3 times and row 4 once as directed in the written pattern to complete this patch.